I don't have any idea that this business intelligence is existed. So I was like scrolling the Facebook, then I came and then I saw the Industry Connect ads and everything. Then I thought, okay, fine. From that day, I did a lot of research for that. So, and which field I'm not suitable for the Java, React. I'm not suitable for that completely into the coding. I want mix and match, because I know my strengths and I know weakness. I'm not a person completely into the coding, developing mobile apps. I'm not that person. I want because I'm an extrovert person, so I want the even contact with the people as well, the communication and everything. So I thought business intelligence would be preferably my kind of thing. So from Industry Connect, I took the bootcamp program. So I want to learn all the things from scratch. I don't want straight away jump into the thing. I want to learn from scratch. And then I got the BI program and then the internship. From there, it's been much more harder. I thought it will be much easier because of my internship profile and everything, but it is not the same in the market. Yeah, because I have to apply, I have to keep on. Then I came to know how the interviews will be happening in New Zealand. So then I have to prepare from behavioral rounds and all the questions, not only from technical side, the other ways as well. So I got so much of experience. Now I'm used to the interviews. I know what they're gonna ask. I was like bunch of questions. I have this big of notes for me. So I have all the questions. I prepared all the scenarios. And I have every example for what they're gonna ask. And even I prepared for the counter questions as well, if I'm gonna answer one question. So yesterday there was a scenario. They asked me, how do you cope up with the stressful situation? So I gave an answer and they asked me a counter question for that answer. So I was like well prepared for that as well. So once I finished my internship, I started applying jobs in last September. Very confident that I'm gonna get this job, but I didn't got the job. And finally, I didn't expect this one, but I got this one. Frankly, I didn't expect this one because I was like okay with the interview, but for me, those interviews which I did extraordinary, I didn't got that one. So I was like okay with this interview, then I got something for the next stage, because this is the first interview after COVID and everything. Yes, I'll 100% recommend Industry Connect, because that's the place where I learned all the things. And the only thing you have to do is like work. Try to learn new things, work harder as much as you can, push yourself to the extreme. The only thing I can do is like do your hard work, do your best, and give the rest to the God. That's what I believe. Because I'm the live example for everyone, because I waited for the opportunity, it didn't come, and I was like doing my work and the opportunities are coming in my way. This is what I want to tell. I tried to catch the opportunities, but I didn't find any way, but still I'm going in the same path. I don't want to, sometimes I feel like probably am I worthy to the BI field, all the questions, but that's okay. No, I can able to do that. For 1 second of time, I'll go into the negative thing and then I'll push me back. No, you can do it.